Today we are learning one strategy to help you improve the fluency in your IELTS speaking test. When it comes to part 1 or part 3 questions, it's very likely for us to forget what to say next. In these situations, a lot of students will say, but it's very likely for the examiner to give you a low score because the examiner will think you just don't know the vocabularies to talk about this topic. Then it's impossible for you to get a band 8. How to get a band 8? You can use pause or silence to replace this or so that the examiner will think that you just run out ideas. You need some time to come up with some ideas. Now let's have a look at a band 8 example. How this student used the pause or silence in her conversation and how many times she used it.
Can anything be done about that, do you think?
Not really, because in today's world, what has happened is everything is communicated by media, television, news, internet. So you just have to go ahead and probably call the media and do a meeting and answer questions to the public and give justification and reasons.
So how many times she used the pause? Twice. At the beginning, she didn't know what to talk about. She just rolled her eyes. And in the middle, after she said so, she forgot what to talk about. She just paused. So, which means that we can use the pause in a similar way. When we don't know what to talk about, we pause at the beginning. And in the middle of the sentences, after we say so, or maybe after we say although, after we say but, some cohesive devices like after we say the reason might be, we forgot the reason, we just say the reason might be. You can also say the reason might be, let me think about it. This can also buy you some time. So if you find this tip being very useful, please share this content with other students so that more students can find it. You can also like this video. Alternatively, we talked about there are actually 4 sets of sentence structures that you can use in your part 1 or part 3 questions. For example, you can use whenever, if. If you are interested in learning these sentence structures, you can click the link below to review the lesson.